In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum from moonpay. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to complete your transaction smoothly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the moonpay website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for moonpay. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with options to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Next, locate and click on the Home button, typically found in the top navigation bar. This action will refresh the page and direct you to the main menu where you can access various features. After that, click on the Buy option. This will take you to the purchasing section where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, including Ethereum. Once you are in the purchase section, click on Buy Crypto. This will lead you to the asset selection page, which presents various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Now, locate and click on Select Asset. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Following that, click on Popular Tokens. This section will display a list of commonly traded cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Next, click on Ethereum. Selecting this option indicates that you want to purchase Ethereum specifically. At this point, type in the amount you wish to buy. Ensure that you enter an accurate figure, as this will determine how much Ethereum you will acquire. After entering the amount, click on Continue with Ethereum. This action will take you to the order confirmation page where you can review your purchase details. Now, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it finalizes your transaction before proceeding to payment. Once you have confirmed your order, click on Buy. This will initiate the payment process for the Ethereum you are purchasing. Next, click on Pay With. This option allows you to choose your preferred payment method for the transaction. A message will appear prompting you to choose how to pay. This may include options like credit card, debit card, or other payment systems. Click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this payment method. If you prefer another option, you can select it from the payment methods available. Alternatively, you can click on Debit Card to proceed with this payment method. Ensure that your card details are ready for input. If you choose to use a credit card, click on Credit Card. Enter your card information as prompted to proceed with the payment. A message will display showing the total amount to pay. Review this carefully to ensure it matches your expectations. Next, click on Deliver To. This step is essential as it specifies where the purchased Ethereum will be sent. Make sure to read the warning message that appears, which states that the wallet must support Bitcoin. If it does not, your crypto may be lost, so ensure compatibility. Now, click on Enter or paste a wallet address. This is where you will input the destination for your Ethereum. Type in the wallet address you want to send the Ethereum to. Double check the address for accuracy, as sending to the wrong address could result in loss of funds. Finally, click on Pay. This action will finalize your transaction, and you should receive confirmation of the payment shortly after. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.